Listen up. I saw this on TikTok and it actually worked. I signed up for this reward program and check this out. 1 week later, I got a brand new mini fridge. It only took me 10 to 15 minutes of my time. Now, let me explain how you can do it as well. But first of all, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so please visit the link in the description of this video to get to this reward program. You'll just need to answer a few simple questions about your purchasing preferences and maybe complete a few deals. Some of them are free. It's really legit and it's definitely worth the reward you can get. That's it. Enjoy your mini fridge. Once again, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to find out about more rewards like this one. Thank you for watching.